Try to do my math right. Yep. Cost basis 500,000. Property type is a single family. So you can do this for commercial, residential, mixed use, industrial, land, multifamily, so we pretty much got this ready to go here. You can also transcribe it in voice. So those individuals that don't like to type, you can just, hit the transcription of voice. Start a 10-point assessment. Independent obligor is an assignment company in this transaction, a completely independent, non-related party. You're going to hit yes.
Yes. The assignment company is an independent, publicly traded entity not related to the seller, satisfying the independent obligor requirement under yes, no funds flow back to the seller within 2 years of the transaction, avoiding the circular cash flow patterns flagged by IRS Notice 2023 yes. The transaction has a genuine business purpose beyond tax deferral and changes the seller's economic yes. Interest rates and payment terms are at or above the applicable federal rate. Yes. All required documents, purchase and sale agreement, assignment agreement, annuity contracts, are properly executed and contemporaneous. Yes. The seller never had dominion or control over the sale proceeds. Funds were direct. Yes. The qualified intermediary is independent, properly bonded, and not a disqualified. Yes. For applicable installment obligations exceeding 5,000 the CR 453 yes. Life insurance contracts meet either the cash value corridor test or guideline premium test under IRC 7702, maintaining tax advantage status. Yes. The client's risk tolerance, time horizon, liquidity needs, and financial objectives are documented, meeting DOL fiduciary and state suitability standards.
Pretty good for me. And so, you get your history, your audit trails, you can view it. That's your defensibility. You have financial tools where you can do the lead analysis calculator. You got a list of your clients, your prospect applications, your appointments. You can actually integrate this with iCal. You can integrate this with Google Calendars and other integrations. Your profile here, you can upload, your profile pictures, what state you're licensed in. So you can put here, California, if your life, annuity, IUL, what your specialties, Kaizen, here, your estate planning. So go ahead and just start knocking off, all the different states, you hold a license in. For me, I have Idaho, Florida, New Mexico, California, Florida, Idaho, New Mexico, and Texas. So I really add those different states, the languages you speak. You can have drip campaigns, so you can create a campaign for a drip. Agents landing pages. So, you got your tutorial videos. You can, have what this is going to be displayed when they go look for an agent. You have your sales quotas. So if you can look at what, that looks like, your quote builder, your illustrations, your fact finders, your proposals. You got AI tools. I like the financial piece of it. So if you're going to be looking at what the financial piece looks like, you can also collapse these menus. You can look at the accounting side. So this is where you're going to have your financial management, your revenue, your expenses, your open invoice, your reports invoices, your clients' point of sales. You got your invoicing piece of it, your bookkeeping piece of it, integrated with QuickBooks, your profit and loss, your balance sheet, your cash flow, your general ledger, your trial and balance, income by customers, your chart of accounts. All this is built into it. Your brokerages accounts, they're going to be able to connect and link that with a PLAD, income expense by customers, your P&L, balance sheet, and our ProPort, our API, where you can integrate, different things that are integrated into it, integrate with Stripe, SendGrid, your CRM billing, or other solutions that we offer. So that's just just under the hood here, the subscriptions. You can add a payment, keep them on a monthly recurring, the FICO score requirement. So just to onboard our agents, we're looking at our agents to have a minimum of a 620 credit score, because not only are they selling um, life insurance, they're also involved with, the real estate proposal saying, hey, so there's an added layer of compliance, added layer of suitability where a lot of insurance companies, might not be comfortable with this program or this different kind of platform. And so, we want to make sure, our agents having the minimum net worth, having the minimum credit score. If they don't meet those requirements, then they have to have a sponsor. So these are our plan prices. For the month, it's 100, 300, 1,200. But once again, what you bill your clients, you can charge them. And these, what we can do the management of that, who has access to different things. So this is fully built out, live, ready to go. We have the training section where, you might want to have to, how are you going to train your agents? How are you going to, get people onboarded? You can add tutorial videos. So we have all the tutorial videos here, that, you can add about, the different products and the different things that we have, our broker groups, our agent training, what are divisions of how they're earning their income. And so we have a tier model with us. We have a training representatives at 85%. District managers come in at 90%. Our divisional managers at 92%, our regional managers at 95%, our regional vice presidents, at 97% contract, our senior vice president, you're at 100% contract, and our national vice president, all these individuals are holding a life license at 102%. And so life only agents, you're between 75 and 85%. Our marketing methods are telemarketing, seminars, mailing, internal digital, and a mobile app, which is our lead connector mobile app. So you also get a mobile app that helps you manage your leads. That is, we can build that into it. So this is something that a lot of insurance agencies, they have the different systems, but this is a full-blown system helping you manage, your pipeline, your video manager, the videos that you want to upload, the videos that you want to add. Go ahead and delete this video. But yeah, so different videos that consumer facing. One of the things I want to go ahead and look into is the back office. So let's see what the back office looks like. So we click on the back office. You have your roadmap. When did we build this out? We did this, kind of in Q3. You have everything starting to present. So like I say, we've been working on this for about a year now. We do the stress test engine. Some of these dates, kind of change a little bit off, but our fee schedules, you should be able to look at what your case designs are, your stress tests, your defensibility, your premium, your court cases. I think it jumped back up to that other one. Let me see, it did. So for my back office, agent contracting, this is the piece that I think, what we implemented. We have we do the overview of the monthly billing, but we're not bringing on everyone. Everyone is not meant to be using this program. There is bad apples in every bunch. So, we have individuals that we, try to, filter out, screen out.